developing a single PowerPoint based on Community High School District 218. So everybody should have the screen that I have up there. Just in the PowerPoint, a blank presentation, blank title slide. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our design theme to organic. So we're going to go to the Design Ribbon tab, and we're going to locate organic. Which should look, and remember, if you're unsure, you can always just hover your mouse and it will tell you what it says. And organic's going to kind of have this woody look. Now we're going to begin with our first slide. So we're going to create the title, Welcome to CHSD 218. And we're going to create our subtitle. This one doesn't have a subtitle. We won't be using a subtitle for this one, so we're just going to delete that box. We just want Welcome to CHSD 218. We won't be using a subtitle for this one, so we're just going to delete that box. We just want Welcome to CHSD 218. And this is going to want us to include a picture of each of our schools on this main page. Now, we don't have a box here. This isn't a title and content or to content slide where we're going to be able to just click the button in the box. So we're going to have to do it the long way. So we're going to go to Insert. And in the Images ribbon group, we're going to have the ability to search for an online picture. So I'm going to start with Eisenhower, searching for Dwight D. Eisenhower High School. And it may not always be the first one that pops up, in which case I might have to add Blue Island to it to get a more refined search. I'm going to try again. Eisenhower High School, Blue Island. I'm going to search for images, and it's the first thing that pops up. So Google saves us. And what I can do is when I click the picture comes up. I'm going to right-click the picture, and I'm going to save this picture as. I'm just going to save it into my H drive. I'm going to save it as something that I'll be able to recognize what it is. So I'm going to save it as Eisenhower High School. Actually, I already have this picture in here, so I'm not actually going to save it. You just have to go use your favorite search engine, save it to your H drive, and then we'll go forward. So what I'd like you guys to do, find a picture of Eisenhower, Shepard, and Richards, and let's go ahead and put them on this slide. Shepard. It's a little bit smaller on the top there. And that was perfect. If you have a different way you want to put the pictures on there, that is perfectly okay. Yours does not have to look identical to mine. Next step. Not all PowerPoints need to be created from scratch. Thus far, we've done a couple PowerPoints. And we made them all from nothing, from a blank presentation. Now, in your English classes, whenever you guys start typing a document, like a paper, they generally ask you to outline it first. Well, those outlines that you create to type your papers can create instant PowerPoints if you do them properly. So I have an outline saved on the public drive that we're going to use. And it's basically going to create a template for the next couple slides we're going to be doing. It looks like everybody is just about caught up, so we're going to go ahead.